Hey, Kevin?
Yeah.
Hey, I need a favor. Can you help me out real quick?
Yeah, sure.
I need to find the metal stretcher, and I got to run back over to sheet metal. I talked with Gerry. He said it's cool. Would you mind checking with Dustin and let me know?
What were you looking for?
A metal stretcher.
A metal stretcher?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
There's a metal stretcher. Go talk to Gerry about it.
How would that guy come? Hey, ask Dustin when you're standing right over here. There's a metal stretcher. You guys are totally
No, it's in the sheet metal building. Yes. What's wrong with you, man?
You guys always
No, we don't mess with you that much. Rich used it last. Take him where it's at.
Oh, baby, 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 oh.
Are you looking for the freaking metal stretcher too? Go back to work.
I told you, I thought I was good.
Are y'all going to delete that? Because I cut. Don't worry about it. Hey, man.
I'm just glad that I knew right away.
Steph, y'all used to do a job for a customer. It would pull the metal about 2 inches on each side, but y'all used to have it under this table or that table. It's been a long time. It's probably before you came in. It's called a metal stretcher. What we need it for is this right here. It needs to come out 2 more inches so it can go over them bars. But y'all used to have it. It kind of looks a little like this, but there's 2 handles on each side. And you pump it like this, it stretches it out. I'm thinking maybe it got recalibrated. If you do me a favor, ask Forrest if he took it from y'all, because y'all are the ones that use it. I don't use it.
The metal stretcher?
The metal stretcher, yes. Ask Forrest for me, please.
Okay. Metal stretcher.
Which one?
Huh?
Which one did they say?
He said the one with both handles
The one with the both handles.
that you pump.
Okay. I think I saw Rich had it last, or they were using it over in building 2.
Rich?
Yeah,
My dad?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, they were using it in building 2, I think. Yeah.
So Jesse's asking me to go mess around the shop. Go see Gerry. You know who Gerry is? You should see him in there. Make sure you got, where's your safety glasses? Yeah, take my safety glasses. It's the guy with the big beard, like mine, but he don't have any gray in it. Yes, Gerry Diaz, the guy with the beard. You'll see him. It looks like that. It's all squared up and gorgeous and glistening. Looks like he gets it permed. You know what I'm saying? Gerry Diaz. Put on the safety glasses. Yes, the one that we call the boss.
Hold on. Metal stretcher. Are you serious right now?
I have no idea. It's for the guys in building 3.
In building 3? Oh, shit.
Let me tell you something. I'm just putting your legs. There's no such thing as a metal stretcher. we videotaped this whole thing, so you're on a video for the Republic website on the YouTube thing.
Okay.
So I appreciate you being a sport about it. We was talking to Rich. He goes, "Oh yeah, get him, make sure it's him." So you have him to blame. So Rich, how much fun did you have?
When my boy came to it, it was pretty funny.
Yeah.
I couldn't look at him because I was loud. I couldn't look at him because I was loud. Yeah. My son texted me. He's like, "Man, y'all."
Of course, I threw you straight under the bus. You know that,
Oh
right?
no, that's great. That's great. How far did my boy get? You know?
He made it all the way to Gerry Diaz too.
What happened? Metal stretcher. That enclosure they're doing over there needs to come out this much on each side.
You need to Alex, right? Metal stretcher.
Yes, sir. The aluminum is blue. Got 2 clamps. You turn it, and it stretches it out. It got recalibrated. So ask Forrest, where did he put it?
What's up? Jesse was telling me that you know where the metal stretcher is, the aluminum blue or aluminum. He said it pushes the metal out.
It's got the 2 handles?
Something about recalibrated, you know what's that?
I think Rich was over there using it in building 2.
Dustin. You know what they did with that aluminum metal stretcher?
Now, who had the metal stretcher last? Gerry Diaz.
Gerry Diaz.
Gerry.
You know what he looks like? Guy with a beard like mine, but looks like Gerry curls. He's the boss.
Okay.
Gerry, Rich from Building 2 said that you might have been using the aluminum stretcher, the blue one.
Oh, for the aluminum stretcher?
No, Isaac had it last.
Isaac.
Yeah, Isaac had it.
What the hell? Hey,
Forrest sent me to Rich. Rich sent me to the guy behind him. The guy behind him said,
we'll wait till
Gerry had
Monday. All right,
And then
appreciate
Gerry
it.
said Isaac had it.
You didn't find a metal stretcher, did you?
Nope.
All right, so you've been a victim of one of our for April Fools. So you're gonna be on our April Fools video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was
That's
like,
why Isaac looked at me like that. I went everywhere. And they're like, maybe Rich. Oh, okay, we'll go to Gerry. Gerry says, back to Isaac. Isaac looked at me like, metal stretcher. That's what it's called? I was like, man, I don't know. Jesse sent me on a goose hunt.
yeah, no, he was put up to it by us.
Hey, man. That's a
Appreciate
good one.
you being a good sport,
that's
man.
A good one.
Yeah.
That's a real good one.
Sending someone on a search for a metal stretcher at Republic is an age-old tradition. I was a victim of the prank 30 years ago when I started here, and as I understand, they had been sending people on the search for many years before that. It's a long tradition.
So I think what we need to do too, as we were talking about this, we need to come up with something and make it and give it to them, right? As a metal stretcher. Yeah, something even if we just burn it flat on the laser. Yeah,
absolutely.
Something pretty cool.
Yeah, with some like pins on there. Hold it down and like stretch it, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. So Kevin, since you were such a good sport about the whole metal stretcher thing, I went and had one made for you. So now you have your own metal stretcher. So nobody else can send you to go get one. You got your own. I probably won't send you for nothing else fake.
I don't know if I can ever believe you anymore.
I know, that's the problem, right? When you do that, yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
Because you guys were such great sports when we did the April Fool's video, we made a little something for you guys. It's a Republic metal stretcher, so now when somebody sends you to go get one, you know you got one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys are great. Alex, you up. Don't be scared. Don't be scared this time. I'm not going to send you to go get a metal stretcher. All right? I'm bringing you one.
You're bringing me one.
Yeah. So because you guys were such good sports about, you know, the whole metal stretcher thing,
Yes, sir.
and you did such a great job of going find one, I made you one.
All right.
So now you have a metal stretcher. If anybody asks you for one, you got one.
I got a metal stretcher, man.
Cool.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.